Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, I cut myself a huge 2-inch thick bone-in ribeye steak. 2 pounds. We're going to do that. We're going to do mushrooms, garlic, onions to go on the top. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to melt it in butter. It's going to be awesome. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get that Weber kettle fired up next. Alright, let's go over our ingredients quick. We got our big old bone-in ribeye steak right here, 2 inches thick, about 2 pounds. Salt and pepper mixture over here. We got some garlic, we got some butter, we got a Vidalia onion, and we got a package of baby Bella mushrooms and some of Daddy Dutch sweet heat rub will go on the steak just a little bit. That stuff's hot. But anyway, let's fire up Chop-O-Matic next. He's been on vacation in Florida. He's over there hanging out with Meat Cranium down there. Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. He's back anyway, so you can go check that video out. I'll throw it up here. Go check Chris out, Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Hey, Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, here we got our steak. Look at that. Look at that delicious steak. Oh yeah. Alright, got our steak. We need to season it up. And what we're going to do, what we're going to start out with is a salt and pepper mixture. And be very liberal with this. Get around everything. Just like you're, putting on a good old rub. This is a big piece of meat. It can handle it. Decent amount. This is kosher salt. Black pepper. You're not going to eat this part right here, but I have to get some on. Alright. Daddy Dutch's rub right here. I'll tell you what, this will light you up. I mean, this will make you poop fire. Trust me, make your butt bleed right here. So we're not going to be going crazy with this stuff. Just a little on here. Get that down. Around the sides there a little bit. That's enough. Run around on there. Alright. He's looking good. We're going to take him and we're going to let him, sweat this out. Probably about 15 minutes. The kettle is coming up to heat. And we'll start cooking next. Alright. Now it's time to get our steak going onto the barbie, so to speak. We got our kettle. We're going to go indirect. We're going to put her right here. Actually, we're going to move her over here a little bit. Get her off the coals just a little bit. Let's put a piece of wood in there while we're at it. I already have one in there. It's starting to burn because whatever. Let's get another one in there. Alright, we're going to take this up to 120. Alright, peeps, we are back. We're doing this indirect, obviously. And, we actually went over our mark a little bit. As you can see, we're at 125 right now, so it's going to be a little more done than I want, but it's all good to go. Alright, just direct sear this thing next, and then we'll get our garlic mushrooms and onions going in a stainless steel pan over the heat. Let's do that next. Alright, time to reverse sear this bad boy ribeye that we got. Our coals are banked over on that side. Our ribeye is coming over. There he is, right over it. What we're going to do is get a little color on him. Not a lot, because I think I already overdid him a little bit. So let's over the bottom vent a little bit, get some more air through there, and we're going to let him sit there for 30 seconds. We'll turn him. We'll be back. Alright, it's been 30 seconds. Let's give him a little quarter turn. Like so. 30 more seconds. Alright, 30 seconds gone by. Take our bad boy, flip him over, and as you can see, Great grill marks, great sear, great everything on that steak. 30 seconds. All right, the fire is kissing it. Another 30 seconds, that's to turn. And then we're gonna take this off and it's gonna rest, and then we'll show you the mushrooms and onions and all that good stuff. Okay, it's time to get our cast iron going on here. Their lodge put right there. Sounds good to me, looked good to me. Let's let it heat up. We'll give it a little olive oil just to start it. We're gonna close it back up, let that get up to temp. We'll be back. All right, everybody, welcome back. We got rain spitting on us, hence the sound there. So throw some butter in there. Get that butter melted. That's our lodge cast iron there. Just do 2. Get that going. Get our mushrooms going in there. Like so. I like to flip these over. Try to get them on the cut side. You don't have to. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you don't or if you do. We're going to get some. We'll leave the others just so you can see. That's over the high heat of the thing. Let's go kosher salt and pepper. Boom. Decent amount there. We'll add our onions to the mix there. And then we will add our garlic to the mix there. What we'll do, give a little stir. Break those onions up a little bit. Alright, we want a good sear on that stuff. Might not happen because I put the onions in early, but it'll be alright. Just put our lid back on. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay folks, it's starting to rain. We need to hurry this up a little bit. So this has actually been 5 minutes. Let's see where we're at right there. And I would like these to get a little more color onto our mushrooms, but we don't really have the time for that right now. But we want these mushrooms to have a bite to them, and we want our onions to still have a bite to them, and we don't want to be burning our garlic down here, which we're not yet. So not getting too bad yet. Camera's getting wet. Worried about the camera, but we're gonna give it as long as I can, and we'll plate. This thing has been running 400. 400 is where I've been running all day. So just so you know, in case anybody wonders, 400. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Still raining, sprinkling, pissing, whatever you want to call it. Let's see where we're at here. All right, they're looking good. I didn't get the color on them I wanted, but oh yeah, we did. Look at that. We finally did. Look at that. We waited around just long enough to get that. That's good for your mushroom. Our garlic looks good. Everything is good in this pan right now. All right, this goes to the side. Our steak's been resting. I got a lot of other stuff on here like potatoes and spaghetti squash and some asparagus. That stuff for supper. And well, I like to grill once and you know, eat leftover 2-3 days. Anyway, let's go plate that ribeye steak. It's starting to rain. I gotta get this camera out of here. All right, we'll go under the tent here. We'll do it. All right, everyone, you ready to see this plated up? I know I'm ready to get it plated up. And you know, impeccably clean hands. Make sure you always got clean hands, especially this time. Here's our steak, ribeye, looking good, looking delicious. Let's put him right there. Let's just cut into him. See how we did. We'll do a couple slices here. And we did over bake him just a little bit. Darn it. He's a good medium. Yep, he's a medium. Darn it. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. We'll throw these over to the side like so. Oh, he might be medium rare there on this side. We'll go like that. Wind is coming up. I'm sorry about that. We got stuff going everywhere. All right, let's grab our delicious, look at that. Garlic, butter, mushrooms, and onions. Those will go on the top here. Let's go like that. Let's just get those all on there. Just right on top of our steak like that. And that is looking good, folks. I'll tell you what. It's got a piece off the edge here. I don't have a fork, but I do got impeccably clean hands, so we'll take some mushroom and some onion, garlic. Oh, with a lot of smoke flavor coming through there too. All right, that was an adventure. Thank you for watching. And I know I had a lot of sides on there, so if you guys want to see some of those sides or whatever, let me know. We can do a video on that too. But that's it. That's it. You know, it's a simple cook, a delicious cook. Some delicious steak. Look how juicy that steak is. Just look at that. Wonderful steak. Wonderful steak. All right. Anyway. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. I appreciate you. Have a great week. Stay safe.